Chupapi Moñeno. I just picked up some used OEM coil packs here. Shout out to Tom for them. They are in working condition. I'm sure I'm not gonna need all of them, but I am just gonna replace all those. Got some good old NGKs because these were some Autolites one, and yeah, we'll definitely replace those. NGKs are pretty cheap. So now, putting everything back together, it's not too bad. Cross our fingers, everything has been going pretty smooth, so I'm hyped on that. Just gonna put the intake manifold back on, throw in the spark plugs, throw in the coil packs, cross our fingers. It is raining a little bit and these tires are bald all around, so I kind of want to take it for a test drive. Hopefully that fixes the issue. Right, look at these freshies here. Wee! I really hope this fixes it. Well, just found this also. This could definitely be causing something. There's a bunch of lines like this that I did notice that were broken. Just gonna take this up and then just put it back on. What I should have did was to troubleshoot which coil pack I needed rather than replacing all of them, but it's okay. I got these. Might as well throw them in. This is the last step, boys. I really hope one of those things fixed it. I'll be so hyped on it. All right, that was weird. It's like surging right now. All right, I noticed right away. No MAF is connected. That's why. Okay. I was like, what did I do? That was crazy. All right. Rule number, I don't even know how many rules. Don't rush things. So I had two vacuum lines that I literally disconnected, and I need to connect that. One being right here. Connect that bad boy. And then the other right here. Connect that. That'll explain why it just died on its face and the MAF is trying to compensate for the air. Here we go. All right, so far nothing. It's at operating temp. We'll find out with, between these runs here, this little drive that I'm doing. Good thing about stock suspension, you can literally hit every single bump and not have to worry about clenching your butt, boy. Oh man. I just got an annoying broken wiper in the rear. It's just like flat. But hopefully this fixes the issue. If it does, we have coilovers already, we have the GK Tech package already, and just have to weld the diff, and then we are solid. All right, so the check engine light, like I just said, is on, but it actually is fixed. It's not doing the hardcore misfire, the multiple misfire. I gotta read what this is, but this thing, it rips, it runs and drives, but I can hear it. Not as bad as before where it was just like putting away, just like pop, 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 pop. Now it's just like intermediate, just like a boop. All right, man, it's been a couple years since I installed some coilovers on a Z. Hopefully this is pretty straightforward if I remember correctly. I just know that it does have like these extra parts here rather than having a true setup coilover. Shouldn't be too bad though. Finally had to do it. Had to get myself a new jack. It's been, yeah, I'm not even sure how long it's been, but definitely been like 4 or 5 years for sure since I bought a jack. Nice low profile tire, low profile jack, I mean, not tire. And they changed it to red, sweet. Here we're gonna start off with the front because the front is easiest. And don't worry guys, fender is coming in, don't worry. Shout out to Adrian, he helped me out with the fender. Literally got it for 80 bucks, brand new. All right, let's see if I remember how to do this. All right, so this is pretty straightforward. We got 3 12 mils up top here, and then we got 2 17 mils. Let's see if we can sneak in there. 2 17 mils that hold the bottom. Just gonna slide these right off. And then we can go ahead and transfer the BC coils on afterward. Bottom's all set. Now we just got, I already unscrewed these. I'm just making it look like I'm doing some work for you guys. Here we go, old ones are out. New ones are about to go in. Good thing about having new coilovers is that they're low already, so you don't have to fight with the tension of the whole car itself, like going up and down. You guys probably seen this a bunch of times already, but it's contact. This is just gonna go in through there. This is really hard with one hand. Just like so. Perfect. Just going ahead, bolt this up top. Leave that loose for now. And then we got the two last 17 mils right through there to feed through. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten up this collar right here. There we go. Just finished up one side, locked up the collar over there. And now, go ahead and do all three other ones. Fronts are complete, so I did a rookie mistake. Be sure to loosen these up here and your sway bar end link there. Look at my hand, super black. Wakanda forever. Just like that. Oh yeah, she's low. Woo. This is perfect clearance though. We'll be throwing a different tire. We're gonna run some Falcons up front. It looks a lot lower here because of this fender. Look at this. It's literally crunching right there. Oh, we're gonna have to pull that out. Doesn't look too bad. Now, onto the rear. All right, you guys see this nastiness there? Well, shout out to Adrian, because bam! Nice OEM 350Z fender for 80 bucks. Can't beat it. Thank you, Adrian, very much. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a little update on the R34. It is getting like reworked, all the bodywork and stuff for that. Now, new fender. Let's throw on the rears now. The front is slammed. Jesus. All right, this doesn't seem too bad. Like I said, once again, California cars. Look at this. No rust anywhere. Just have your surface rust here on the rotors. But look at this. Look at all the bolts. Jeez. That's why I love Cali. All right, so pretty much all it is, gonna take this off here, 17 mil. You got this here. The only thing I am confused about, I forgot if I keep the little rubber hat there or if I just switch over to the BC one. I always forget that. I forgot how I did it last time. I think I did keep the rubber one, but I'll switch over to the BC one. And then just right here, oh, you guys can't even see. Orale. But we got two 14 mils. I believe they're 14, either 14 or 12. All right, let's take this apart. All right, well, this side's a lot easier for sure. Someone's got smacked in the face, but that's all right. All right. Everything's nice and smooth. That's what we like. All right, here we go. Just throw these on, tighten that 17 mil up, and we're good. That's on there. Let's go to the top. And I'm so hyped that this is taking a lot easier than the front, boys. Whoop, lost it. Just like that, she's out. All right, so for coilovers, you wanna probably measure out, nah, scrap that. You wanna max it out. We're at maxed out. Maxed out on this bad boy here. You don't wanna be like, oh, I'm just gonna lower it 2 inches. Nah, slam it. Nah, definitely measure it out. Here we go, just like that. One side down, one more to go. That honestly wasn't too bad. The front was actually a lot worse than the rear. But, all right, let's slam this. The rear was a lot easier. And hopefully I didn't mess up the left side, because the left side seemed too easy for some reason. Now we're gonna lower it down and let's see how it looks. Oh, yep, it's definitely low because now it's stuck on the jack. All right, sweet. Oh god damn. Chupapi moñeño. Jeez. Oh, there it is. It is super slammed. Oh geez. All right. Oh. God damn, this thing's on the floor. All right, let's see if I did it on, all right, I did it correctly. Nice. All right, so that's all set. I have a fender. I was gonna put it on, but that's gonna probably be for the next video. I have to put in a seat, I have to drop the diff, I have to weld the diff, and then we have, I have the GK Tech front angle kit for this. And it is crunch time. Like I said, I'm trying to make it for the drift event. I don't know, depends if I could at least get the diff welded, and that'll make it or break it. And if it's raining or not. I don't like drifting in the rain because of what happened last time. But like, comment, subscribe, guys, and stay tuned for more. This is literally the best budget build that I've been having with this Z. This is awesome.